Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do skincare, how I take all of this mess off of my face. You can tell I have super full coverage, crazy glam happening right now. So I wanted to show you how I'm going to get this off. So I'm super crazy about skincare. I like using things that are nice and gentle, but they're effective. So I teamed up with Needcrystals, which you guys know I love crystals. So if you guys watch my Instagram, Snapchat stories and all that stuff, you guys know I have like a special bond with crystals. What's really cool about these, you can add them to your face wash, you could add them to your body wash, and it will give you healthier, smoother skin. So I always talk about the best way to prevent acne is to make sure you exfoliate. So that's really, really important because it gets rid of dead skin cells, which allow new skin cells to grow and replenish your face, which is why when you derma roll, you're kind of digging deep into those pores and the external layer of your skin, and then you're allowing new skin cells to grow and repair the skin, leaving you with soft, fresh skin. I hope you guys are following what I'm saying, because sometimes I feel like I talk and I know what I'm saying, but like, do you guys know what I'm saying? These are going to deep clean into your pores, which help make them less visible. What's really cool about this too is that it's going to help reduce scars and fine lines by really deep cleaning. When you deep clean your skin, which is why people go and get microdermabrasions, which is basically a more intense version of exfoliating. That's why a lot of people go and get that done, because it's so good for your skin, and it's definitely you can see an instant result, I think. So it's really cool that this is an at-home procedure. And what's really, really cool about it is you can mix it with whatever your favorite product is. So if you are more prone to oily skin, you can use your oily type of makeup remover, or your oily type of face wash, that type of thing. If you are more on the dry side, you can still use your sensitive skin, dry skin type of skincare that you prefer. So it's really cool that it's legit for all skin types, which I love. What's really cool about this too is that you can use it for body wash, which I work out a lot. So when I do break out, it's usually on the back of my neck. So I think this is really cool. I can come home. I can even mix this with water if I want to. I can mix it with whatever type of skincare that is necessary, because my skin on my back of my neck is obviously very different than the skin on my face. The skin on my face is very dry. The skin on the back of my neck, it's very oily. So it's cool that I can mix this with whatever skincare that I want and kind of just rub it, take off that dead skin cells, let them breathe, and that way I won't be prone to breaking out back there. We're gonna open this guy up. Really cool. I am more than excited to work with them. This thing is heavy. It feels like it's like, whew, got some girth to it. So you open it up. It's just like little flakes of like crystals. Very pretty. I am going to use my Cold Cream by Kate Somerville. I talked about this before. It's a really good moisturizer, makeup remover, and it also hydrates all at the same time. I love this, especially if you have dry skin. It's nice because it hydrates your skin while you're taking it all off, because a lot of times when you deep clean your face, it can leave you very dried out. So I'm loving this right now. So what I'm gonna do is a lump of this. That's about how much I use. And I'm just gonna put that onto my hand. And then I'm gonna take this little wandy thing and I'm gonna pour that much crystals up in there. That might be more than I need, but I like to use a lot of stuff. So I'm just going to start working this into my face. You guys can see I didn't use, well, I should probably take my lashes off, huh? You guys can see I'm not using any water. I'm using directly this cream and the crystals. And it feels very, very nice. Oh, there goes my brows. It feels really, really nice. I like the fact that on my eyes, it's like scrubbing my eyes, but it's not hurting. So you can tell that it's like really getting this makeup off. It feels really good. I also tend to break out. Oh, you can see my face is already like, all this makeup is lifting, which is really nice. It feels really good. I just don't want to stop rubbing. Feeling a Harley Quinn Joker vibes right now. And you want to pat your face dry. So you can see that my skin is nice and clean. A lot of the redness went away right here. I had a little pimple here. This like literally feels so smooth. I felt like the redness went down. my skin feels really, really soft. And then of course it's all natural because it's crystals, so it's like good vibes, you know what I'm saying? The details for this will be in the description box if you guys want to check it out, and if you do, let me know what you guys think. I love it. And yes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.